Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change screen brightness in Windows 10. So if you want to increase or decrease your screen brightness on your Windows 10 PC, laptop or desktop, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to change screen brightness on your Windows 10, all you need to do is click on the Start menu, select Settings. On the Settings page, go ahead and click on System. Then under System, locate and click on Display. Once you select the display, then use this slider to increase or decrease the screen brightness. To increase the screen brightness on your Windows 10, drag this to the edge. And then to reduce the screen brightness, reduce this to the edge. That's one of the ways you can use to change screen brightness on your Windows 10. Alternatively, if you don't want to go via the settings to adjust your screen brightness on Windows 10, click on this taskbar here to open this menu. On the menu, locate the sun icon. Then you can now use the slider in it to adjust your screen brightness. The maximum screen brightness you can adjust to is 100% and the least is 0. You see that? So this is going to make the screen brightness darker. If it is 0, then just drag it up until you get to something like 75 or 60 and then you are good to go. So that is basically how to adjust or change screen brightness on Windows 10. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.